Hello friends, it's Vandana here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing great. Guys, as you know that COVID-19 has impacted world's economy and Australia is not an exception. Australia's economy is sluggish nowadays. So, to boost their economy, Australian government has given rights to every state to choose the workers who are working in health sector or medical profession. Okay, so from last few days we have been looking at how every state is releasing a priority skill list. For example, Tasmania has released list who can boost their economy. Similarly, South Australia has released their priority skill list, and this way Victoria has also released their seats. Okay, Department of Home Affairs have given them limited number of seats until 6th of October 2020. Today's video topic is how you can apply for Victoria State nomination. Okay, so the application portal will open on 8th of September till 21st of September. It will remain open. Okay, so today I'm going to discuss the eligibility criteria and how you can apply and what should you keep in your mind while applying for 190 visa surplus or 491 visa. Okay, so let's start. I have just made notes as usual. So this is a Victoria Skill Visa nomination, so every right of selection will be with the Victoria State. Okay, so what is the eligibility criteria to apply 190 visa? First of all, you should be currently living in Victoria. So I just made it clear here that it is not for offshore applicants. It's only for onshore applicants who can specifically contribute into Victoria's economy, because Victoria economy is quite slow because of the lockdown from last 6 weeks. And the second criteria is you should be currently employed and have worked in Victoria for a minimum of 6 months in health sector or medical research, and you just need to show that your occupation is contributing to the economy. You must have skill assessment in your nominated occupation, and you should be under the age of 45, and you should have competent English, which is again 6 each in IELTS or PT, and you should have minimum points like 60 if you are applying for 190 visa by your own. Okay, not include state nomination points or anything else. After your visa application gets selected, you just have to stay 2 years in Victoria. Okay, so this was the requirements for 190 visa application. If you are applying for 491 visa, so there all the requirements are same, except you should be living in regional Victoria and working over there from last 6 months in health sector or medical research, which will remain the same. And 491 visa, you already know that you get a 5-year visa, provisional. This is a provisional PR, whereas 190 is a permanent residency. Okay, so these are some basic things you need to know. But what they have introduced new, you need to know. As you already know that expression of interest you lodge when you apply, for 190 or 491, that would remain the same. You just lodge your EOI in skill select. But Victoria government has introduced a new thing. You need to apply registration of interest for Victoria State. Once you get selected by Victoria State, then you can lodge your visa application simply by immigration department. Okay, which would be the normal. Okay, so the basic criteria you got to know that you should be living in Victoria and you should be working in health sector from last 6 months. But you really need to know what is the registration of interest and what you need to show there. First of all, you need to show their EOI number, which you will lodge in skill select. your name, date of birth and email address, and your skill visa in which you are applying either in 190 or 491, and your occupation and your employer's ABN and contact detail, the purpose of your employer's business of service, and how the work, this is most important, please be careful, how your work help to Victoria's economy recovery, okay, or health response to the coronavirus pandemic. These things you should to specify in registration of interest in the website Live in Melbourne. This is a website. Over there you can go, you create your account and you simply show your interest. Once you get selected, then you will be notified by email, okay. If you have any question regarding this, you can just simply leave a comment and I will try to give you answer. And please keep in mind that the application portal will be closed by 21st of September till 5 p.m. Australian time. And if you like the video, please don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you so much.